We are very excited to announce Linda LeBlanc is now consulting with DataFinch Technologies. We're going to talk to her for a few minutes about why she's doing that and what she hopes to accomplish over the next year or so as part of that. So, Linda, what made you want to join up with DataFinch?
Well, I love the team at DataFinch, and so people are really what makes any partnership work. And I'm a data geek, and so we had done an independent study evaluating the Catalyst product, and that was just published in the Journal of Organizational Behavior Management. But as I was becoming familiar with the product and seeing the value of it for organizations, I got excited about the opportunity to help make it even better than it already is. And also, I got excited about the fact that there's almost 1 billion data points. This is big data, and from a scientific perspective, I don't think we've been in a position to have access to so much data in one place. And so I just started thinking about all of the great questions we could ask, not only about what kinds of services are being provided out there, but also about just how you can best collect data and analyze data to really make good clinical decisions for the people we serve. So that's exciting. And
Yeah. So what do we hope to do over the next several months in order to facilitate that? What do we do next?
Yeah, well, I think from a research perspective, there are a couple of ways to go. The first is all of this data exists in kind of a bucket, and we can mine that data. And when you do those kinds of studies, you kind of are stripping away any of the kind of specifics and looking at the general patterns, right? So of maybe 2,000 children with problem behavior, that data is being collected on in Catalyst, what are the common topographies, and what kinds of measures are being used for those topographies and that kind of thing. So it kind of allows us to kind of have a big sample and look at some of the patterns that are in our field, in your everyday services for children with autism.
Yeah, and what I love about this is, we were just talking about this the other day, it's not only about finding some research patterns or some behavior patterns with the individuals with whom we're working, but it's also about helping people who are taking data, right? What's the best way and the most effective way to use your time?
That's exactly
to be
right.
the most effective, right?
Yes. So, if we really are kind of science-minded and we want to be making database decisions, we want it to be good data. Some measures are more effortful to collect, even if you are using an electronic data collection product. And so if we can be in a position to do studies that will tell us where are those breakpoints where you can kind of maybe extend that sampling or make that data collection procedure easier, but only up to this point. Beyond that point, it could jeopardize the quality of your data. That then gives people the opportunity to make their data collection as easy as possible and as good as possible simultaneously.
Great. It's win-win.
Yeah.
So what we're going to be doing is asking for your help to do this. We'll be reaching out to some of you who are watching this video, and we want you to buy into this with us. Obviously, the more data we have, the more info we have, the better treatment decisions we can make. And you couldn't have anybody better at the helm than Linda LeBlanc to help with it. So thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, Stephen. And if anyone has questions about this new initiative, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'm happy to talk with you.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, we'll talk to you soon.